This is our new Monday morning routine. I realized I live so close by the beach and I don't come here enough. So I want to do every Monday morning. Obviously when we're getting the dog, we'll be doing this much more. Just walk on the beach, get some fresh air, get a little movement in and start the day. Two of them. So we just went on a little morning walk. We're going to get some groceries because we're hosting an event tomorrow with Nekohama, and we're doing like a pilates workout class, and then we're gonna have like matcha snacks and all of that. So we're grabbing some groceries and then we're heading home. I'm going to knock in a couple calls and then get ready for the day. We literally did a little dance in the store. We got an email in through Nekohama email, and British Vogue was asking to include us in like an article. And which issue? In like their September issue?
August.
Yeah, about like luxury food and like drink. Like how freaking cool is that? Like we haven't even launched yet, and apparently it's getting picked up by, you know.
Nekohama is cooler than us.
Yeah, that's so cool.
On the it list.
Well, that's an amazing start of our day. We're going to get some other groceries at Trader Joe's because they have truffle almonds, which are
so good,
so delicious. Then I'm gonna go home, get ready, and I actually want to do some more shopping today. Get some pieces at like the mall and get some other like stuff for the event. Some like spoons and little like plating. I mean, you don't need to ask me twice. I'm there. And yeah, that is going to be our day. Oh my god, we just got back in the apartment, and Max and Jason also have a new morning routine. Wow! He's making a matcha. Why does it smell like fire here? Oh. You putting it in? You're becoming very Venice now. Alrighty, I'm going to make a little breakfast. I made matcha crepes the other day, which was really delicious, but today I'm feeling like normal crepes. Pancakes, whatever you want to call it. You only need like a couple ingredients, so I want to show you the recipe and then have a little brekkie. are ready here. I want to get one of those special like crepes pans so you can make those like really thin ones, because my top one actually looks pretty like nice and thin, but the ones underneath are just a little thicker. So I'm in debate, shall I put strawberries on there or shall I put cheese on there? No, I'm gonna put some strawberries on there. These are like perfection. They're so beautiful. So this is ready. I got the oat with eggs, some strawberries, salted cashew butter from Trader Joe's, and some hemp seeds. So delicious. Yum. So good. I was craving this morning. What I really love about this recipe is that obviously it's like super thin, so you can have more. But it's also, I don't know, I just like love the really like thin pancakes over the thick one. And because they're not super sweet, you can either eat them in a sweet way, like this with like fruits and almond butter, or make them like savory with like cheese or bacon or egg or vegan cheese or something like that. But this is very delicious. So after breakfast, I'm going to get ready. We're gonna head to the Grove, run some errands, get some stuff for the event. And yeah, that's my day.
Whoa. Sanne. Wait, look at this. Hold on, can I just show something? Oh my god, that's such a sexy belly. Oh my god.
Thank you so much. I'm doing tripod. Okay, now we're ready to go. I'm also thinking this water bottle because always stay hydrated. Bye. Alrighty. I am on the way. We're actually first gonna stop at, what is it, Westfield? Westfield, I believe. So there's an Aritzia over there. Trying to find just some new spring clothes because I just did a spring cleaning. I kind of want to have some new stuff. Also, just getting a little bit warmer, and we're probably gonna grab some fruit, and then we're gonna go to. I think actually we found this place called Goodies. We found it on TikTok, didn't we?
Yeah.
Normally don't really buy stuff on TikTok, but it was this kind of like secret hotspots of LA or something. Oh my god, I'm getting car sick. And it's like this amazing store with like home stuff, and everything is under $25. I love dollar stores too, so just imagine. But let's see if it's gonna be good. And after we're gonna drop off some film, so we're almost there. And I wonder what should we eat?
Something different. Because we have sweet green all the time.
Yeah, no, that was just
Oh,
the thing.
yeah.
I don't need sweet green. What do we have? We can just walk through it.
Yeah, we'll do quickly and see let's eat first, and then we'll walk into our
And then we walk
do
through.
some shopping.
Yeah, and then we do some shopping. It'll be fun. I'm always a bit confused here where to go. It smells good though. Guys, this is probably my favorite collaboration collection ever. Marie Kondo. Yum. The brown le bol with chicken, brown rice, avocado, and parmesan and chipotle. And Jessie got
A tuna tortilla with pesto and And tuna. I wonder what this is though. Chipotle spicy mayo. I can't have spicy mayo.
Alrighty. We had some delicious lunch and now we're looking for... Wait, let me look it up.
I think it's there.
Oh, there? Perfect. With this yellow thing. Also this, so much yellow. Did you find some good pieces?
I think blue and yellow is gonna be my color.
Up a little boba mango. It's really good. This is like my go-to boba order. I always have the mango green tea. And actually I know a lot of people who just start drinking matcha, they actually know it because they drink matcha boba tea, which is completely different but also delicious. But we were just discussing, there's this like tiny little store, right, we want to go to, and traffic just changed and it's an hour drive. So we're kind of debating if we should drive an hour there and then who knows how long back because it's traffic.
We should definitely just drive.
But I think we should just drive. I think we should just do it. What we do for ceramics.
For real.
It's a lot. Yeah, we're just gonna go. We're already on the road today.
Yeah,
Let's just do it.
We're here.
Okay. So we will go to Goodies. I'm gonna laugh if this store really sucks. New favorite song here. Yay! And now cross fingers, it's gonna make it. Yay! We made it. Hopefully it's gonna be as good. It's kind of cute.
Cute area.
Oh my god, all of this already is so cute. Like this should Jesse, what did you get?
Got some awesome cutting boards.
Oh my god, we bought a lot of goodies. What do we think? Look at it. If you like little things, this is a place where you definitely should go. There's like a lot of cute stuff. I thought it was gonna be bigger for some reason. It was really small. Wow. Wow.
For you. And I'll put on a poster.
Acts of service. I love you.
Taste how much I love you.
Taste so much.
Getting better and better.
It's really good. Delicious, baby. Thank you. Alrighty. I gave my little afternoon matcha. I wanted to show quickly some of the pieces I bought at Aritzia. The first one, I was looking for one of these for quite a while and I finally found like a really cute one. kind of this like knitted, it's very like old school, like girl school. I mean, this is like a size medium, so it's a little oversized. I would combine this either with like a pair of jeans or with like a shirt or something underneath. I thought it was really cute. Ooh, and then I love this. Kind of a little thicker. It's between a shirt and a jacket. And I'm kind of trying to integrate a little bit more color into my closet. And I don't love color that much. But I do love the kind of like pastel kind of vibes. Like the light purple, the light pink, the light yellow, I guess. I never really thought yellow was my color, but it's super cute. I will either wear this as like a dress with like boots underneath, or just over a white t-shirt with like a pair of jeans or something. I have these super cute little shorts. It'll be nice for summer. Can't wait to bring these to New York. Wear this with like, again, white t-shirt or like a shirt or something. Kind of has this like brown fabric. Love. And then to get more in the summer style, I got this very long like silky dress with like blue and white stripes, kind of a little bit of color. It's a little tip: if you wear like stripes like the wrong side like this way, it actually visually makes you look like taller. And also if you have a kind of like wide shoulders, I always love to wear things with kind of a v-neck instead of like a high neck, something just like a personal thing. And then just a super loose fitted kind of shirt, which is like very comfy. Can literally just wear this like anytime. You could wear this with like some cute jeans or some extra jewelry. So yeah, I love having a couple of like new pieces. I just got rid of so much out of my closet and spiced it up for a little bit. All the stuff I bought at Goodies, which by the way is such a cute store. Pretty small, but they have so many fun goodies with like little spoons and all of that. I will show that later in like one of a big like kitchen tours or whatever. But yeah, going to make some dinner soon and then have a chill night. So for dinner tonight, I have pho soup with a lot of veggies, and I believe there's tofu in there. And then on the side, some kale salad. Yum! Yummy! If you don't know what to eat, pho is just always the answer. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, little vlog, and what I eat on a day. Today was not so much cooking, but a lot of other stuff. Well, don't forget to subscribe and see you guys very soon. Bye!